So this is the Gemma 4 app. This is the Android app version. Just downloaded it, and as you can see, it's the landing page. So these are all the different use cases it has, that different aspects of what you can use it for. Ask image, transcribe, audio scribe, chat with a non-device language, large language model, chat AI chat, agent skills, complete agent task with chat, prompt lab, use natural language to plant, and the last one model. So you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you look through into it, you will see recommended models 1, 2, 3, 4. So some are a variant of the other one, and they will tell you the best overall that you should consider. So this is a variant. The last one they're trying to consider is a variant of the one before it, and you can see the size difference. So they're not saying you need to download her, because you need to download her. We're saying this is already 5 2.5 plus 3.6 gig, so that's about 6.1 gig. If you add it to this, that's 9.8. If you add it to this, that's 14. So they're not saying that. So you can pick from these models, download them. But if you want to experiment with all, it's your choice though. If you have the mobile device space, this phone is a Redmi phone. So it's a 250 gig phone. So there's this space allowance is there to try it all out. But that was going to be from another video. But this video this time around, we just want to look at all of the use cases that it has. So if you see this audio scribe use case, you see that it has the same number of models. This is also 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 models, or like the ask image that came in 1, 2, 3, 4 also. So you can see that there are similar models in it. So it's not saying every time you're going to download, as you get to this new use case, you download. No. If you check very well, you see that the best overall Gamma 4 E2B8 is 2.5 gig. The description of it is the same description they gave for audio scribe here and the other models underneath. So one of download is what you're going to do that's applicable to most about, I think, about 5 of these use cases. Because if you go to AI chat, you see the same models there. So apart from these last 3, it's a little bit different. As I said, that if you have the space allowance to play around with, you can download all and actually see how each model has evolved over time through the development stage. So this one now just 2 models applicable to it. So this is prompt lab. So prompt lab is also having as much as they do for the as much as they do on the AI chat also. So let's see tiny garden. So this one is use natural language to plant, water and harvest in this fully offline mini game. So it's powered by an experiential function gamma, and they optimized for latency. This is compact, so it's that's quite a compact size. You can see just one off model. So it works on simple instruction but responsive module. So I've not really, like I said, I've not really downloaded them to test it out. We're just looking at the inbuilt features of each of the use cases it came with. Since from my initial video, the last video I did on it, you see that what Google told us then is that it works offline, it works in devices, smartphones, laptops, even in Raspberry Pi. So you don't really need to pay anything, you don't need to be online to use it. You don't need API costs. So if you need to integrate it through their API to it with any other device or application, you don't need to pay for the API. It's all free for use. So most likely I just feel over time as I improve on it, all you probably need to do is to re-download. I think it will probably self update itself. So that's why maybe the only time you probably need internet, or it's going to probably have some machine learning abilities whereby it improves on its knowledge base and then based on how you use it and what you put it into use for. To use the mobile action part. So this one performs various device actions through function Gemma. So since we've not really downloaded them to understand the basic functionality and usage of each of them, it's going to be smart for us to just go to the menu and look at the model. So you can see each of the models across the use cases are on display here. If you want full in-depth information, you can click on the read more. The read more takes us to their blog where you will see full clear information about it. So the deep mind tool is opening up, beautiful. So you can see it. You see full details, most advanced model verification wherever users can link them from cloud to lab. I mean, they created different models to help users to create AI applications that can run users link them cloud sites and top phone. So it's quite a raw tool, and I'm quite impressed. So you see the model, the variants, the Gemma verse integrations, just quite a lot of functionality and seemingly unlimited possibilities that it has. So we're going to take time to go through this. So it's going to take obviously a lot of time. So my video on it will not be coming that soon, but you can also explore it yourself, and you can also see its possibility for integration across different platforms like Cargo, Hugging Face, Keras, Llama, PyTorch, Python, Gemma CPP, Jax, Julia H. Oh, wow, your cloud service, Android, LM2. It's this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So hello guys, my fellow so has wow at least through clause wow products model upgrade that they released recently, and also their space research drive that they did on us, that they did on Meta is also doing with their school glasses. Now this is from itself. They're all quite trying to build a lot of AI beyond for so we are going beyond the usual prompting like basically use it for automation. We're now seeing much more evolved usage with AI, which to me is beautiful. Big us really quite hard then. AI is really we have that AI is not really replacing people. It's replacing those who lean on it, those that don't use that. Because by the time you help organize more get more work done faster, smoother, more beautiful, more creative, and to also expand and deepen market share, the users base. Obviously, going to pick more above the transition that still follow around, which they are not even using. Now becomes which generation will be able to work in. Build it. Thank you. In my next video.